Welcome students. This is the third video for class 5th chapter 1. In this session, we will discuss about some characteristics as well as some limitations of computers. Students, as we know, computer plays a very important role in our daily life. It can take many decisions so fast which a human can't. Computers have changed the way in which we live in our society, and it is only due to some of its characteristics. They are speed, accuracy, reliability, versatility, storage. Now we will discuss one by one. Number one, speed. Speed is the amount of time taken by the computer in completing the task. Computers are very fast. It can do a large number of calculations quickly as compared to the human being. MIPS, million instructions per second, is the method of measuring the speed of a computer's processor. Now, number two, accuracy. Accuracy refers to the degree of perfection of operations performed by a computer. Computers are very accurate. They perform all jobs error-free. If the given data to a computer is wrong, it may produce an inaccurate result. Now, number three, reliability. Reliability refers to the quality of a computer to perform consistently well and complete the allotted work on time without experiencing any system failure. Unlike human beings, computers are free from tiredness and lack of concentration. They can do repeat work with the same speed and accuracy. Now, number four, versatility. Versatility refers to quality of a computer to perform completely different type of work at the same time. Computers are very versatile machine. The modern day computer can perform variety of different tasks. It is used at various places such as homes, hospitals, banks, etc. for performing various activities. Now, number five, storage. Storage refers to the capacity of computer to store data and programs. We know that computers have much more storage capacity than human being. They can store any type of data such as image, videos, text, or audios. These data can be retrieved as and when they required. Now, limitations of computers. A computer is far better in performance than human being. In spite of many advantages, computers do have some limitations. They are: computer cannot think, computer cannot decide, computer cannot express their ideas, computer cannot implement, computer cannot fail. Now we will discuss one by one. Number one, computer cannot think. Unlike human brain, computer can't think itself. The concept of artificial intelligence shows that computer has can think, but still this concept is dependent on set of instructions. Number 2, computers cannot decide. Computer cannot take any decision of its own. It does only those tasks which are already instructed to it. Number 3, computers cannot express their ideas. In any type of research, ideas plays a very important role. In this context, computers cannot express their ideas. Number 4, computer cannot implement. However, computers are helping in a storage of data, but only human can decide and implement the policies. Number 5, computers can't fail. Lack of feeling is another limitation of computer. A computer cannot feel like us. It does not have emotions, knowledge, experience, and feeling. Thank you.